Now we're going to start up with frame 3. So moving from frame 2 to frame 3, we're going to move the body over 1. But other than that, it's very, very similar to frame 1, except for the leg at 4-1 is a little bit further back. So this shouldn't be as that difficult. So what we're going to do is copy our frame 1. Here we go. Now we're copying and move it down here. That's frame 3. All right. Now what we do is we have to go in and change all of our X's and move all of our X's 1 over. So instead of 4, 5. Instead of 5, 6. And we're going to do this for all the code running down here. Now for the foot, we're going to set a block at 4, 1, 10. That's going to be blue. And then the one next to it, 5, 1, 10, is going to be black. Now that's the only change that we really have to make from frame 1. Now we just have to turn all of the other X's up 1. So from 4 to 5, 5 to 6. And we just go through the rest of the code modifying each X value. From 7 to 8. Almost done here. And then 2 more here at the bottom. All right, are we done? There it is. Oh, one more that I didn't see. All right, so we modified all the X's, and now when we run this, there should be 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have a problem. We didn't erase at the beginning. So it moved, but it kept the former position. So we need to take this, copy it, go down to the beginning of frame 3, and make a clear background. So now when we run it, his body moves over without the former stuff still being there.